Hey, and welcome back. I'm Zay with Xude Yoga, and today we're going to be doing a quick chair yoga flow. Now, this is the first of its kind on this channel. So if you're looking for a practice that you're needing to do at work while at your desk, or if you're just sitting down and you need to stretch and get your body moving, this is for you. So let me know what you think of this flow, and let's get into it. Let's begin this practice by sitting up tall, lengthening throughout the spine, finding a position in your seat where you feel grounded and comfortable. Once you're here, firmly placing your feet onto the ground, taking deep inhales through your nose and deep exhales out of your nose. Slowing down your breath, deep inhale through your nose and exhale. On your next inhale, sending your chin back, chest forward, pulling on your knees. And exhale, tucking your chin in towards your chest and curling your spine. Doing this a couple more times at your own pace. Last one. And on your exhale, folding over your knees, allowing your arms to hang heavy on the sides of your legs, allowing the top of your head to hang towards the ground, relaxing your spine, relaxing your jaw, and slowly rolling your body up, bringing your hands above your shoulders. And on your next exhale, taking your left hand, bringing it behind you, your right hand comes to the outside of your left knee as you press and twist. One deep inhale. Exhale, twisting to the other side as a counter stretch. And back to center, doing the same thing on the other side as you inhale, bringing your arms over your head. And exhale, right hand behind you, left hand comes to the outside of your left knee as you twist. Breathing into the center of your stomach. One deep inhale. And exhale, counter stretch. Coming back to center as you inhale, bringing your arms over your head, creating circles with your fingertips, moving at your own pace, moving how your body needs to in this moment. In reverse. And back to center. All right, now once we're here, we're gonna get into a warrior. So bringing your legs out to the side. Bring your right leg, extending that, bending your left knee. So your knee is stacked on top of your ankle. And once you are here, arms out to your sides, maybe bringing your fingertips together. As you inhale, taking your front arm, bringing it over your head. And as you exhale, bringing your left elbow to the inside of your left knee, right arm is above your body as you press and twist. I like to use my left elbow to help open up the left hip. Imagining your arms pressing back as you open up your shoulders, breathing through the center of your chest this time. And slowly bringing your right arm over your body as you fold over your left knee. Maybe coming onto your right toes and relaxing here. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. As you inhale, sending your arms above your head. Lengthening your arms out to your side. And slowly release. Once you're here, coming to the center of your chair, maybe windshield wiping your knees from the left to the right. And we're gonna switch sides. So this time we're gonna extend our left leg out, toes pointing forward. Right knee is bent, knee is stacked on top of the ankle. Once you are here, once you feel like you are firmly placed in your chair, going to extend your arms out, palms facing upward, right arm moves over and above your body as you stretch and lengthen. Inhale, and as you exhale, bringing your right elbow into the inside of your right knee. Left arm comes above your body. As you externally rotate your shoulders, pressing your hands back as you open up your chest. One deep inhale. And exhale, slowly folding over your right knee. You're doing great, keep it up. Making sure to continue to tap into your breath, taking deeper breaths throughout this practice. And inhale, slowly rolling your body back up into a seat. Bringing your knees together and swaying your knees from left to right, maybe holding onto your chair as you do this. Or you can windshield wipe your knees from left to right. And bringing your knees back together. Coming back into a fold. Taking a moment to rest here. When you're ready, slowly inhale, rise, sending your arms above your shoulders. Coming into a slight back bend. And fold once more. And inhale, back to center. Now we're going to take our left leg, placing our left ankle on top of our right knee. Once we're here, slowly and gently fold. Allow yourself to feel what you need to feel here. If you feel like you're at your threshold, remain here. But if you would like to push past, continue slowly folding. For a couple more breaths. Sinking deeper. And on your next inhale, back to center, extending your left leg out, maybe rotating your ankle. And doing the same thing on your right side, bringing your right foot on top of your left knee. Making sure it is firmly placed. And once we are here, slowly and gently folding. Challenging yourself to go deeper with each exhale. guiding your shoulders back and chest forward for a couple more breaths. And inhale, rise, extending your right leg out, rotating your ankle, rotating your wrist. And we're gonna stretch out our neck before we close out this practice, coming back into a firm seat. Lengthening your spine, and as you inhale, sending your arms above your shoulders, taking your left palm, bringing it to your right ear as you pull. Right arm drops to the side. Relaxing your right shoulder, breathing through the right side of your neck. And release by taking your left palm and pushing your left ear back to center. Rotating your neck in either direction. And reverse. Same thing on the other side, sending your arms above your shoulders. And taking your right palm, bringing it to your left ear, left arm drops to the side of your body as you pull very slowly, relaxing your left shoulder, and breathe. Sinking a little deeper. And pressing your crown back to center, very gently. And rotating your neck in either direction. And reverse. Take as much time as you need here. If you feel like you need to continue to flow, feel free to do so. I'm going to suggest another video for you to continue your practice. Feel free to pause. I just want to say thank you so much for showing up in this space and trusting me enough to guide you through this practice. I'm truly honored and grateful. And until next week, peace.